Good morning. It's ball time for Minnie and story time for you. Here we go. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of a story. I have this wonderful couple who calls me on the phone and says, we are ready to sell. Through our conversation, as I'm asking lots of questions about their house, about why they love it, about the things that are going to be changing in their life, they tell me that they're going to be going to live near family. Fantastic. But their family's in different cities and they don't know which city they want to go to. So I said, okay, I appreciate you being ready to sell, but I need you to know where you're going to go because I do not make people homeless. So they decided to take a little bit of time to figure that out. Did they want to go near the beaches? Did they want to go near family members in Tennessee? Did they want to go near family members in another state? They were really up in the air. So I send the wife and the husband off to go figure this out before we're going to list their house because I don't make people homeless. So they go and they figure it out and they finally decide this is where we want to go. But it's a 2-story. And the moral of that story is where there's a will, there's a way. They fell in love with this townhome. Absolutely. And they adore it. It's new construction, all the bells and whistles. They're super excited about it. But here's the challenge. As you're getting older, you've hip problems, you've knee problems, you've all of these things. And this house does not have a bedroom on the first floor, nor does it have a full bathroom. It has a half. So where there's a will, there's a way. They fell in love with this house. And through that discussion about what was right for them, they also decided that they could put in one of the chair lifts up to the second floor. How awesome is that? And only because I love them, and they'll admit this 100%, only because I was pushing them to be considerate of their ability to age in this location and to not have to move again, did they come up with that solution. And I love it for them because now they're close to family and they can see the grandkids and everybody is over there visiting them and helping them move. They did hire professional movers. Love you. You know who you are. John Savage. Absolutely amazing with Davian Valenti. Fantastic movers. They did a great job for them moving out of state. But here's what I can say. When the timing is right and you know that it is, having someone on your side to help you through the conversation to talk about the challenges that are going to be and what is right for you and for your future is so important. So here's what I can say. Thank you so much to my amazing sellers who trusted me to be in that conversation with them, to sit with them and to say, let's do what's right for you guys and make sure that you are set for your future. Hope you enjoyed story time. And my question is, who do you know who needs an advocate on their side to have that conversation and to help them figure out what's right in their future? Have a great day, everyone.